Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a Windows update using the built-in recovery options. This can help if your computer started having problems after installing a new update. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type rest this PC. Click on the option that appears inside the rest this PC section. Look for advanced startup and click restart now. A confirmation will pop up. Click restart again. Your computer will now restart and load the Windows recovery environment. Once you are in the recovery screen, select troubleshoot, then choose advanced options. If you don't see an uninstall updates, click on see more recovery options. It should appear them. Click uninstall update. Here you will have two choices: uninstall the latest quality update, uninstall the latest future update. Quality updates are smaller updates, usually security patches and minor improvements. Future updates are major Windows updates that added new feature or big changes. For this example, let's choose uninstall latest future update. Click on it, then confirm by selecting uninstall future update. Windows will start removing the update, and when it is done, your system should restart normally, and that's it. Your update should now be successfully uninstalled. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe for more videos.